Party.
All right, so yesterday was Easter Monday, and everybody gave visuals break. Only us no go break. So for now, we don't come back to work.
But people complain give me yesterday, say, I'm very tired.
But you hustle this weekend. Not waiting. Only you. Do you want to make all the money? What's wrong with you?
You know,
I don't like it. When you look too tired, it breaks my heart.
No, what today I come with ginger, swag, everything, story complete, everything, plenty gist and everything. You know, we are on point today with a fresh new haircut.
So you get rest yesterday night.
I rest. Oh, I rest. I nearly do one thing, but not do one. I said, I no go do
you really do one thing where they directly in proportional to your ginger this morning.
Exactly.
But because you have to be on a straight path,
to be on a parallel,
on a right note,
not to repeat of yesterday, in the whole propendum of a vertical horizon of a parallelicious angle 90 and 360
of a matter.
Yes.
You had to say Ogbolo say yes.
Yes.
Don't do it.
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 And you didn't do it.
I didn't do it.
I congratulate you.
Hey.
You're a man with keep doing, make I remember the word. Self-control.
Self-control.
Yes.
Discipline.
Yes.
Discipline
and
self-control.
Eloplane.
I said, go you behind me, Satan.
Oh yeah.
And I face the world squarely.
And we're here today.
It's party.
Yeah. Welcome to the show. I'm telling you this thing. It's a beginning of a new week. And everybody just jollificates because what's Easter period don't come. Now time to everybody reflect. I hope so you reflect yourself. Not just celebrate Easter for nothing. I hope you have a reflection of yourself. If not, when people are going to make a statement to you, and when they make that statement, it will just pain your heart because you have to need a lifeboat. But moving on, we go stick with it. Don't worry. Then people will do as they horse, they understand what I just talk now. You know, say you get some statement which person go make
just
like
make.
Sometimes people go just go begin learn how to swim.
Oh.
You get it? Or they go begin get life coats. Because they can just be.
Yeah. You are not making sense.
But I am. You see this sense when I just make, so leave and make like this.
Okay, but
because if I elaborate the sense when I'm
no, no elaborate.
Do you want to lose your body?
No elaborate.
Thank you.
No expatiate. No broaden the scope. Nothing. Not do anything like that.
Just leave
but
like
this all they say make people reflect. People don't reflect for this.
People don't reflect anything.
People they club. Easter day. When it's supposed to for house, they say, people supposed to they think, they reflect. So people say, let's go and turn up for Christ. They are your brother.
Shocky for Christ.
So you see people, they do something like, I say, wait till they worry. Say, we are clubbing tonight, man, celebrating Easter. Christ is risen, man. Anyway, which I got everybody don't come back and Easter don't pass now, so we are looking forward to things in the future now.
And the sad part, we say traffic don't start. Oh my God.
Yes, so road free. But any which way, we are back to how the whole things that be. All right, so on this note, I'm breaking things.
Yes, but on the from the stable of PADI will be the 7th day, I think, for inside the month of April 2015.
Yes.
Your guy Ogbolo and your bae.
Yeah, your bae.
Your bae.
Your bae.
Your boo.
Your bae.
Your bae.
Your bae.
My yawa.
Your bae.
They tell you, say. Continue, Yobi.
We they come back. I say, yeah, baby. Oh, come on. I wish I could just.
You call salute. There we go.
I don't know if you do that one way and do. You can't feel no stand up.
Oh my God. All right. Okay. So we know say we tell you say from the beginning of another quarter, we go begin do PADI on a different note.
Jeez.
So don't worry. By the end of this month, everything go put together and we go begin do them on a different note. But for now, you know the drill. We dey enter inside.
Yandia.
All right, welcome back to PADI. In case you just join us, this is now your favorite program, whether you like it or yes. We put it to you.
Yes.
That PADI is your favorite.
Yes.
Okay, so my first gist, it's a acting things,
action movie.
But it's a good thing. Because you know our Nollywood people them. I will shoot you now. Shoot. Ho! You shoot me now. Ho! 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 I am dead. Yes, Nollywood actor, what they call Akpochi, he escaped death. I don't know whether it's Akpochi or Akpochi or Akpochi. Akpochi.
You call him with Igbo swag.
Akpochi. Yes, the guy escaped car crash. Now, in car been catch fire. And while that car catch fire, burn to everything burned down. The fire even catch himself. So now for inside that fire, in con they run, they go for road. 4 o'clock for inside morning time. Now in the road, because who won't help at that time? Road they, you know.
Yes, scanty.
Yeah, the road is scanty. But fortunately for him, the fire subside for inside him body because ink suddenly fall to the ground, con they roll. You understand? And then the fire come off. That moment, he say no feeling face again. He they say, where my face? Where my face? Say in hand, he don't bomb black. Now so he follow talk, but he talk say thank Baba God there because no matter this plan of the enemy, no matter the plan of the bad people, no matter in carelessness, no matter anything, in still they alive to say thank you, God, for all the many things that you have done for me in the life of me and my accidented incidents.
Nanyo kwe kanyi nuwe bia o ewo enwere mego nenu wa o okini ka mere Jehovah o nanyo kwe kanyi nuwe bia o. You know what I sing just now? I don't know, self. But I know that one song they sing for my church that year when they do Thanksgiving testimony things. But anyway, yesterday night, even as I tire finish for night, I can't walk like that. I see where motor clear one man for road. From near my side.
No.
And they drive like this. For the other side, the guy won't carry one way. He just come out one elderly man. Boom! As I just look for my corner, I see the man. Half of his body, they outside.
No way.
The remaining half, they under the motor. They drag and boom! Enter got a beam. Thank God the man no die.
At the end of the day.
He not die.
Upon say they don't dissect him.
No, they not cut him. His body they under the motor. So when they hold the motor like this, where that plate number they did. So it's in the drag. For my mind, all the back don't peel. When the man stand up, his back no peel. Now only small place scratch and leg scratch. The man come out. I say, thank God, my eye no go see bad thing.
You get some kind of accidents where happen, and you go just know say na God.
Na God.
You go just know say na divine intervention. That's why they're good to do good. Because when you do good sometimes, somebody for one place go just pray for you. Oh God, help me keep this person safe. You know when you go need that prayer.
So we talk about God.
So for Uncle Akpoche, we are thankful to God for your life.
Thankful to God for your life. Now, based on the same thing as in thankful to God for things, this particular small girl, her own case is very, very different. Because like this now, the girl you have a eating disorder. Okay. That means say when you get eating disorder, means say you go they chop like normal human being.
They mix-chop.
They mix-chop. You're eating, they get coma. This small girl now, her own eating disorder, they always make her go to chop things like cement, sponge, carpet. Those things they sweet them. You understand? See the small little, those always sweet the girl. You understand? Doctor, they don't chook eye for the whole thing. They say this is a disorder something. It's not a good something for somebody. Even the mama said, they look, say, come, this is not okay. I don't know why my pikin, they shop all this thing. Sponge, they taste like donut for her. You understand?
Carpet, they taste like ice cream.
Ice cream, you understand? Carpet, they always taste like buns or shawarma or all this thing. You understand? So they say not eating disorder, but they don't chook eye for the whole thing. And mama, 36 years old. Mama, they say, I bet me they help her because this whole thing like this and make it no go buy and picking for her. But the doctor, they say they go see find the whole thing to the whole thing. So they get cure for this thing. And now one small disorder, they worry the small picking for somewhere in the body. But that get too small to come to get this eating disorder. I know, right?
That's why I beg with the take on and beg you as parents. When you see your child, they exhibit some kind of things. No conclude saying that witchcraft they follow you. Sometimes na sickness. Sometimes na sickness. Go hospital, go check your pikin before you begin talk. Say one thing they follow. I beg.
Not be everything.
Not be everything be witchcraft. We take God name beg you.
Meanwhile,
Meanwhile, Mona, keep quiet.
Shut up, you! You are disturbing us in the ear.
You know they disturb us for our ear. You they make me they shout. You are making it look like my voice is high up.
Sorry. Just continue. I don't know.
All right. So Ogbolo, meanwhile, I beg, Banky. Today na Banky birthday.
Banky W.
Yes. Not be Banky W.
Okay, I see that.
Banky where they do our microphone at the back of our this thing. Today na his birthday. So shout out to you. Happy birthday to you, Banky. And I beg Banky, in case they realize, say the wire of your microphone, they don't chop them, you don't go. In case they realize, say the wire of your microphone don't go, I beg check Ogbolo. Because things like that, they appease to them. They do like okro, like eba,
wire.
like microphone,
wire.
Things like wire. Ogbolo mo no
lie. I resemble this girl, ni.
But talk true.
I don't chop your own wire.
Ogbolo even shaving stick. Those kind of things. You know, so shout out to you, all the birthday people, all the April people, our people, even Abdul, hello, Abdul guy. It's your birthday. Abdul. I know you can see me through this television. Hello. It's your birthday. You see what they talk? You see this thing? You see this thing?
No.
You see it?
Nothing. I just add it to the script. You cannot act a movie again.
Ogbolo, you be Nollywood star. Superstar. We dey go on a short break.
The mic.